Hello everybody, this is Jen from ASC Supplies, and I am here with an ASC auction mini album sale. I'm going to do both of these. They're going to start at $20, and we're going to go retro today. So this is the old DCWV stack that I had for a really long time. So let's get started. This first one is one of my 4x4 minis, and it's actually made on the Cameo silhouette. So the folded pages are perforated, but they hold up well. So each pocket has a couple tags, or maybe a tag and a little booklet, and then each one of the side pages has a Cameo cutout tag with a hole reinforced on it. And then on the back of each one is a belly band with a mini file folder, and I think each one of them has one of these 3x2s, and then it has a little stopper. So if you want to see how you decorate one of these mini albums, I'll put that link here, and that is how I decorated my daughter's 4x4 mini album for her homecoming. So this would be a really cool homecoming if you had some retro vibes going on. So I'm not going to go through every single one of the tags and stuff. Just know that there's a belly band with a file folder and a mat on the back, and then each one has a tag that is matted also. Okay, so this page we have a glue goob. Okay, and that one flips up. Again, the tag, the pocket, and this one is a diagonal page. It has 4 different page styles in it. That one folds out. This one's plain. And this one folds up. This one has another glue booger on it. And then the back again has this file folder and then another mat. So this is the 4x4 by 2-inch spine album. And then this one is a 4x6. Checking that dimension. It looks like the 4x5 3/4. Well, 4.5 by 5 3/4. So. And this one is a little bit different. It has no mats in it, so you have plenty of spots to put your pictures, and it does have some plain mats here. I do want to point out that some of the pages, because the cardstock I use is torn here, which is why I'm pairing it with another album, and it's only starting at $20. So again, there's a pocket and a pocket. It's almost like a freebie. This one does not have one of the tags in it, so you got plenty of room to put your own tags and pictures in. Pocket. There's a pocket here. You got 2 pockets here. It's just got a lot of pockets for tags. Or just pictures. You can just stick your pictures in there, and then you don't have to worry about putting them on anything. I think it'll fit a 4 by or 3.5 by 5.5. Is that what digital prints are now? Picture just fine. So this one I made a very long time ago, and yeah, you learn from your mistakes. It's actually cracking a little bit on the spine there. Just not my best work, so we'll just consider this a freebie with this one. This one's a 4 by 4.5. It's made very well with my Cameo, and I'll try and leave a link to the file to that one. And then this one we'll just call it a freebie because there are some definite errors in this. I used a different technique with this and it didn't work out. Just that happened. So head on over to ASC Auction House. Find the post. It's going to start $20 for both of these albums, and all of the proceeds are going to go to the Great Pyrenees Paws and Rescue minus shipping. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.